Hey yo, what's up guys? This is the with a new video, and on today's video we're gonna be looking at Euro USD, Euro US dollar. That's what's up. Okay, so remember how we do this. Always, this is what we always do, man. Whenever we are analyzing, always look from a higher perspective, man. Go to the highest time frame and see what we have. Alright, so you can see, okay, we've been having this range for a while now, so, and you can see we're at our demand zone right now. All right, so let's put our levels and see if we're really going up or what. Because see, lately we've been having this decline, this downtrend. Okay, so obviously we're likely to experience a reversal of it, so let's capitalize on the idea of a reversal. So now let's prove our reversal, all right, because that's the end idea. So now let's see if it works out. Okay, so let's see what do we have here. Let's move to 1 hour and see. Okay, we see this beautiful structure here on our 1 hour. We had this downwards movement and then we started to have something like almost a double bottom structure like, and then went up. So let's capitalize on that. So what do we have? Let's put our levels. Okay, let's see. Yep, we do have a level here. Another one here for in case. Nah, let's leave it. So we already have our levels. Okay, so let's see. As you can see now, where our price is at now, 1.07194. Like from at this point where the market reopens, we could go either way, like either direction. It could still come here to retest, or go back up here and then retest and then come back down. So meaning we have two movements from here. We're at the middle, something like that. Like we don't trade something like this. You wait for it to give you direction. If it goes up, you let it be, and then if it gives the signals off, it's gonna go back down to retest. It's when you enter. If it goes down, you let it be, and then you go up again. But let's say maybe you don't want to wait for too long. You want to capitalize on something. You find your levels in your current price, like where there may be possible levels, and here we have one. So let's put it here. We have a level right here. See, this is our another strong level that we have. So meaning, if you're looking for a downwards movement, this is what's gonna be. You wait until it passes this level, and then you know you might come there. There's your stop loss. So meaning, if it passes this level, you wait for it, and then if it closes like that single candlestick for a 1 hour, if it closes below this level and then the next one opens below this level, you might be just correct to go down. But if it passes, and then when it closes above this level, no, you wait until, or maybe you can just buy because it's gonna go up. The opening and closing are more important. The shadows, the tails are not so important. Yeah, they make candlestick important, but now the opening and closing. If it closes and opens below this level, is then you know you're going down. All right. Same thing. But with an upwards movement, if it goes down and then opens and closes right here, you know the next candlestick which opens above, you can go up. But let's look for this trend here, the trend that we have right here. So let's put and see. All right, we have this small trend here. So you feel me? It's how this trend goes. Can you put it on the shadow? Like, however you see it makes sense. Nobody's correct in the Forex market. So yeah, see, we have this trend, and then as you can tell, this trend is something like which trying to reverse this whole structure, this downward structure. It's like something like we're trying to reverse it to go up until here. That's what we're looking forward to. Alright, so as you can see, how many touches do we have? Second touch, right? It has a friend, which is, you see this double bottom movement, it's a friend, so it makes a double touch. So it's a double touch. Third touch, let's see how many touches. Fourth touch. So we are looking for a fifth touch right now. Okay, that fifth touch, if it touches, we know we're going up. All right, so just how simple it goes, guys. You're looking for something like this, you know, come and touch, and then it might, and then give us the sixth touch, and then we know. All right, but obviously it's not gonna go as smooth, but it might, but it won't. Okay, might go with a trend because you can tell it loves waves. This one loves creating waves. All right, so this is what we are looking forward to with EURUSD for this coming week. All right, we are looking for it to give us something like this. So every time when you see these levels, they're correct. If you put the structures like this and then it breaks this resistance level, if it breaks it, you wait for that candlestick to go. If that very same candlestick closes above your structure, and then the next one maybe comes to retest, and then it closes above this level, and then the next one opens above it, you can then buy and then shoot up. All right, that's how you enter trades, guys. You wait for the opening and close. You don't just because a candlestick passed and then you just jump. No, which is why it's more important to make market execution instead of making buy orders and sell orders. Yes, they do work, but what if it was just a fake out and then your price triggers and then it comes back to retest and then it hits your stop loss, or maybe even the account blows? All right, so it's more important to follow your trade, unless if you have a big capital, your account can be so flexible, it's not gonna be exhausted anytime soon. So yeah, can do it like that. But if your account, it's not so big, and then trying to make some, this is the right way to trade. You wait for it to pass and then it comes back to retest, and if the closing it is above this line and then the next candlestick opens above it, you then enter your trade without fear. You not have so much stress. You know it's gonna go up. That's how it goes. All right, and the reason we're saying this structure is gonna go up is because you can tell here we've been having this uptrend. We have how many touches? Already we have about 4 touches here. So we are looking for the 5th touch to go up, and you can tell this. Remember, for an uptrend, our lows are more important to the market structure. You can check our previous video. I talk a lot about the market structure. So these levels here, it's our low, meaning if you combine the trends from here, reading from these lows, you see we have a low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So this low here, it's a supporting low for this guy here. It supports this guy, supports him. So it's still the same level because they're on the same price line. All right, so it's still the same thing. So meaning our low is not broken. If this low here, it was maybe somewhere here, we'll say, yeah, this low is broken. Now we have a new structure low, so meaning it will have been our second touch. Now it is not our second touch, it's our 4th touch, because we have 2 and 3, 4. So meaning we are still shooting up. All right, if your low is broken, is then you might change direction, but it is not. So we still continue with an uptrend, guys. This ranging structure, like, it's a pause in the market, meaning we might just result in a continuation of a trend. All right, so guys, I hope you learned a thing in this video. We're looking for an upwards movement in this coming week, guys. Like, thank you so much, man. Really appreciate it. Peace out.